Everybody, hi everybody, it's Lynn from LynzCraftzDesignz. Oh goodness, this is cut out from my bills this morning actually. Just right hand triangle, 45-degree angle triangle off the bill, clipped the corner off, rounded the edge. That's all I did. Got some actually blue painter's tape. Not the right thing for the job, but it's what I've got. Okay, just put it down to one side. Roll it over. Yeah, a little bit sharper. A little bit more like that. Okay, that's going to be our form that we're going to put our clay on. Now, I can't decide whether to do it out of paper. Okay. This is just the Sculpey regular. That's not what it's called. It's the Super Sculpey original beige. I don't know why they call it that, but that's what they call it. This is just rolled out on the thickest. And wrap it around where it meets, basically. Okay, I'm going to be doing a lot of this sculpting off camera, but I am going to come by and explain what I've done and what I'm going to dead cone. Okay, I put a foil ball in my head. Okay, I'm going to make it, this is going to be the body, this is going to be the top. Okay, this is a good place to come by and show and do a little show and tell. Okay, this is just the bottom of the body where the roots are going to come down. Okay, now we've got the head on, and I've done a little bit of detailing and stuff. We still have to add the facial features. That's all we have left to do. And then once it's baked, then I'm going to add the top and some roots. I think I'm going to try to do the roots just out of hot glue. I know that sounds really strange, but I think that's what I'm going to try to do. Alright, just a little more work on the head detail before we start some facial features, and I'll be back. There we go. That's what I got in my mind there. Totally ready to bake. $2.75 for an hour once again. Okay, here he is, Mandrake. He still doesn't have any leaves or roots yet, but that's coming. Now, we're going to paint this. I've got the Americana whitewash. This is by Deco Art. I'm going to give the whole thing a base coat of this white. Okay, 2 coats of the warm white from Americana, and then I followed that with a Accent Country Colors, an Adobe wash. I don't know who that's by. Now I'm gonna shade some spots with this medium green, which is the antique green. Wow, that was looking like something else, but anyway. I've got just a really fine detailed brush here. Alright. Now, these are just hot glue. This is a silicone, it's like a nail art mat. These are just hot glue that I put a little bit of, I think this one, which is one of the ones, it doesn't say what color it is. Anyway, it's one of the Adirondack inks. And then I covered over it with the antique green. Well, I can't, everything else is painted with. First thing first, I want to paint me. Happens every time. You don't want paint on you, you're gonna get paint on you. Anyway, this is just a base coat. It's probably going to wind up being a bit more in the brown range. Okay, and on the feet too. Or the bottom of her legs, because her feet would be way down there. Okay, well, it's still tacky. I'm with a little bit darker. Oh, clumpier. I want to hot glue this hot glue. Okay, that is one. Hey, don't you do that. While I'm trying to work on you. How dare you? Oh my gosh, that is so cute. I can't believe I just made that noise, but it is what it is, I guess. finish the other one off camera. I'll just turn it out so well, I'm kind of freaking out a little bit. When you do these mixed media, especially projects, right after the project starts to come together, it goes through what I call an ugly phase, where it's all you can do to keep pushing through that. And if you do push through it, you'll come to some sparks of inspiration. We'll just, like, I don't know how that came to me, but I'm so glad it did. Okay, just to show you what I did, I'm gonna run out of glue pretty quick. I want the leg ones to be quite a bit longer. Okay, something like that. And you can go ahead and do a couple. Get a couple on this sheet. Alright, let those cool off. Then I'm going to drop some alcohol ink on them, and I'm going to let that dry off. Then I'm going to paint them with the antique green and make them look exactly the same as the arms, but longer. So this should be enough for one leg. I just did some dusting with this artisan powder. That one. I'm not even gonna try to say it. It's a clay kind of color. Probably a clay type product as well. This one is the Madame's Merlot. Now this is really, really strong. So I'm going to use it out of the lid, and I'm going to have a paper towel to blot it on first. There it is. I'm so excited. I can't even. It turned out so perfect. Exactly how I sketched it. Wow. The hot glue gun roots, I didn't want them to be too stiff. I didn't want them to get broken off and knocked. I didn't want that. So the glue gun was the perfect choice. Perfect. The cap still comes off. The lid still comes off. Okay. Cute. 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 So creepy cute, I can't even believe it. There's our leaves. Alright, plenty of stable. Oh, he just turned out so cute. I just can't even. Alright. There we go. Now I know I skipped over a lot of the sculpting and stuff. This was just one of those, I want to enjoy the process kind of videos, kind of projects, let's say. I really just wanted to let go and have some fun. It's so cute. Alright. I seriously want to want to thank y'all so much for watching. Other than that, pretty straightforward. Just the polymer clay, hot glue, those two little glass eyes, and the wires for the leaves. That was it. Cardstock cone that we twisted, and a little bit of foil. Alright. Thank y'all again. Thank y'all so much for watching. This witchy apothecary bottle has been so much fun. This series has. And just wait to see what we have next time. Because I don't even know. Thank y'all so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Like everybody's video you watch. And subscribe. It's free. It doesn't cost anything. Bye for now.